Welcome back, everybody, to Fun Factor RC. My name is Wes, and today we're taking a look at the grab bag from the Flyby Academy from Henry Witherspoon. And this is one of those, and it's not a subscription. You don't get the luxury to subscribe. You just have to grab it when it's there. And since mine was damaged a little bit by the post office, I'm going to go ahead and use that. Right off the bat, I see some awesome low profile nuts. These are cool. I have been needing a set of these. And of course, if you get nuts, you're going to need a new nut tool, prop tool. And I saw the video where he was printing these the other day. I also see some feeties. I don't exactly know what everybody's calling these. These are the feet that go on the bottom of your quad. You put them on your arms. Some scrubs for the ground. And the rest of the box is heavy. What did we get? Clockwise, 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 clockwise. Awesome. Oh, wow. Holy cow. 2208 1900 kV. Jump on the 6S train, I assume. These are just massive. These may not be for racing drones. I'll have to look into these. 1900 kV. Precision balanced, top grade bearings, superior performance. I'm going to admit, I've never heard of these before, guys. These are just massive motors. That is awesome. Again, I'm happy with my grab bag. These motors come with the top nuts, also your hardware, and even some wire connectors. That's awesome. I mean, that is really good for, I say that's really good for, I don't know this company. I don't know what's good for them. This is a really good looking motor, though. That is a massive, that's huge. Thanks everybody for watching. This has been a quick unboxing of the Henry Witherspoon Flyby Academy grab bag. And this is April 2018. Y'all be safe.